functional. So our system and ICT, providing books, providing yona le service engizele yona la today lana yabo esifuna ukuthi irun lana then ensure ukuthi we've got computers, we've got access to internet and Wi-Fi. Bayanikezile i-password la ukuthi ukhona ukulo benifuna yona
anicelanga thina sinayo
oh phela benganagesi
There's a password.
yeah there's a password oh ikhona iplug yosamo
Yes, we get it.
no angisho ufuna sincedisane mhlawumbe abanye abayibonanga yabo shothi nina benidlani nodwa nina binasi
sifunda lathini
okay so thina iloko siwenzayo nje senza sure ukuthi siya market ama library yabona emphakathini so that umphakathi wazi yabona and then we provide books, we provide workshops, we provide training for our librarians ukuthi they must barane kahle ama libraries wethu then ukubani service ngendlela right ungathi ukuthi mhlambe umunye uyeza angisho yazi nami ngelela ngithi mangivuke ekho right mhlambe uthothi sengifika la ngikhiphela kini ulo yebo akufuneki lokho kufuneka ukuthi mangisemsebenzini ngazi ukuthi I accommodate everyone ngithathe inkinga zami ngizishiyele egate ngifike la ngidele nomphakathi kahle yebo so iloko esikwenzayo thina as a department of culture sport and recreation but it's not only ama libraries but we also do sports we also do into ze culture sinama arts and culture council sinama sport and recreation councils so it depends ukuthi wena yini uyithandayo as a person to like sport or ufuna ukwenza into ze culture yebo so that's what we are yebo but mina ngidili direct nalento ne culture ne sport I deal with libraries but if you come to us as a library we do provide a way forward for wena ukuthi okay singathatha sihlanganise nomuntu if you interested into ze sport will then engage sinikeze umuntu ozokusiza yabona so mina kahle I'm here for libraries and that's how I met abo labs.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu mina bakumathonsi. Mina ngumthandazo wakhe. Okay. Vele bonge kuphila umnyaka wonke. So, into engifuna ukuyazi bakumathonsi ukuthi labantu aba visually impaired ngale kule khona yabo basizwa ubani. Do they nina niyakhona ukwenza ukuthi mhlambe singiyabekisa ne ku-train uLebo kuma-devices angabe njengomuntu oblind yinhle into mayenziwa umuntu onesosizimo yayibona then uLebo uzokhona ukuthi makufika omunye umuntu o-visually impaired akhona ukwazi ukuthi no le isebenza kanje ngoba one sinabantu aba-visually impaired sebakhulile at least babe expose ey'ntweni zesikole kwabanye bebasebenza omunye u-visually impaired from ebuncaneni and azange aba exposed kwizinto zesikole akakaze afunde at all loyo muntu ufuna ukucathuliswa umuntu and futhi njengomuntu one-disability kumnandi into mawufundiswa umuntu okulesimo sakho ngoba mangathi mina thithi visually impaired sengikubambisa ipeni ngithi bamba kanje yabo and lo bekazosho ukuthi uyabona mayithi mawusuka la kule keyboard ubala imine 1 2 3 4 kule wes5 sokuno uyayibona ukuthi lento uyayifila nomuntu kuzoba easy kuyi so nina nibukelele kanjani kuleso simo leso
yeah that's a good question yanzobuya ufuna iphendula
yeah cabanga ukuthi nini uqala emsebenzini
yeah
nasicale ngepresentation no seniqalele phambili
ngiyafuna usho njalo ukuthi okunye vele kusazo mina ngoba bese ngichazela nje nami but yena ubuya namagaje sikhuluma ngani vele uzonitshela yena ubuya khona yeah but ke imbuzo asithini masinayo
sibambe
kancane then sabe selona mina bengisantshela nje ngalento engiyenzayo mina lapha la library yenzani yabona but ke ngabuza noma yini sizazama ukuthi sibambisane.
Akunankinga kenza usesi-presentation mhlawumbe lokho esizozabuza phela kanti akachubeke.
No, siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Athi nginikeza yena vele ngasalona yayibona. Ayibambe nje vele sasenjalo yayibona. Yeah. Igama lakhe uShobi wakamdala. Yeah.
Hayi
Shobi.
Alright, sanibonani. Ninjani? Ngiyaphila nami njengoba shilo igama ngishobi ne. Ngiya ka South African Library for the Blind, Grahamstown. But ngwala eMpumalanga, hayi ukuthi sihlale eGrahamstown. Ngisho ukuthi head office yethu ise Grahamstown ne. Lebitwa ngokuthi Makhanda nyalo after they changed the name. Oh yeah. Oh, nacela okay, all right.
Ngathatha ama pictures.
Yeah. Kwathina siyashutha by the way.
Ha?
Ngithi kwathina siyashutha sorry ukunganazisi.
Yeah, manje nina mhlamba ngisho vele benivumeleke but
Oh.
siyafikele. Yeah, siyabonga, sawushuta.
All right, so angihamba ngedwa ngihamba nasesifezile Ntuna ne. Sesifezile ubuya ku Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. And the reason why I'm from the South African Library for the Blind, ngitholakala ngihamba naBut Amos nasesifezile from the department ne. It's because our institution South African Library for the Blind is together ne Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. As you know, with my libraries, they belong to a Department of Culture. So a department, we are more like an implementing agent because it's our function. Libraries for the blind, Library for the Blind. It is our core function. That's what we do. We provide mass services to visually impaired people. Then they are the funders. Ne? So makumeza beyimali yokufanda mina vele ngaze ngicela ukuthi nibobuka bone maningiva nje ngikhala ngemali ngicela nibobuka bone ukuthi they are the ones who are not funding. Okay, so thina ke njengoba ngishido ke we provide services for visually impaired people not only in our province across the 9 provinces. Mina ke I'm a coordinator yala eMpumalanga. Then the other provinces nabo banema coordinators abo. So mina njengoba ngishido ukuthi ngisebenza with the department, ngisebenza kulama libraries that are already established. Njengalena already exist ngisho. Then thina we come in and put in the service yebantu aba visually impaired. Mhlambe laba visually impaired is blind and partially sighted. Labanye lelithemba nde bayijwayele. So what do we do then? We come in Shito Butamos wathi la kune room demarcated. Vele mayakhiwa lakhwele for visually impaired people. Libhaliwe for blind people ngisho. That service vele it's meant for blind and visually impaired people. So we come in, we buy the computers, we buy the equipment for blind people. The computer ifika seyifakwe le software. Because as you understand, people that are blind and shababon, they can't use your normal functions like it's in it because it's born they think their own assistants. So la lama software, ma screen reader software, like the computer is loader, like your JAWS and like your Zoom text for bantu labangaboni kahle emehlweni ne. So some of us ungathi wena I mean angeni le category mara kahle masikhuluma iqiniso ne uyangena because ungaze nje ungene kwefoni yakho uqala ukuthi screen uqala usikhulise sikubone ukuthi ne siyabona ukuthi kahle so ubhilonga kule category yabona mara angifuni lokuvuma ukuthi andiboni kahle ne mara kahle majority yethu sesilapho nyana ukuthi nje screen masinjena asema restaurant masifika imenu vele uyithi because ushatha ipicture so ayikhulisa le picture you understand so that shows ukuthi kahle now you are visually impaired you need assistance. So sifake le computer lamanye depending on the membership sometimes sifaka about 2 computers lana le software which means a blind person can come in a type NDCV or search Google using the software uyangena ke a search or you can come in and use your Zoom text for bantu partially sighted. And also we put other gadgets like a document reader ichaza ifunza ama document angisho iyakufunzela esemhlamba uboni then you put in the book or whether it's a payslip or whether it's a newspaper or magazine then yona ke iyakufunzela ne. And then ke what happens is thina ke masifika establish the service then we look for my members to be part of the service yethu ne. Our members, let me say our membership is free thina ke mawujoyina ke our membership for visually impaired people. You fill in a form. After filling in a form, then you attach a copy of your ID because it's now available to database. And we only register people that are unfortunately South Africans. Membership it's for people that are citizens as a South Africa. So then we register. Then what happens after what happened then? Masesibu registered, ne? I'm sure you know, like for a man figure when register to let in in a space of maybe 7 days when the toilet in words, maybe 7 books and was maybe for 14 days. I don't know what the process is 7 days. Then in after such a date, then you must return the books. Not we use the same system, but it's different because in what day too. I'm sure braille language and braille books is for blind people. But then also because you can't just read braille. You must go to school and learn braille. Then bakhona abantu abangazange babana lenhlanhla ukuthi maybe baye esikoleni bayofunda. So after that they decided, I think lama institutions abantu laba for blind labadila ngebantu laba blind, they decided no, we can give access to people labangaka esikoleni ngisho. We can come up with audiobooks, which means lama book instead of you ukuthi ufunde ngebraille, since awubona ngisho, you can listen to the book ngisho. So then kunalama devices ke lawa lesinawo leswasebenzisako ke for blind and partially sighted. Lena lengiphethe lo muntu angacabanga ukuthi ibuka ngathi radio like bayibona ngisho. Yeah, sibita ukuthi daisy reader or daisy player. This one ifunza amabhuku, any book in any language. Swati, isiZulu, isiXhosa, ne? That book lakho liqhamuka maybe liku CD or USB. Also nema memory card iyathatha. So if a member join, njengoba ngishilo ngithi membership yethu is for free, ne? A member gets one of these gadgets. Which means uhlala naye ekhaya. Uyisebenzisa ekhaya, ne? For as long as you want. Ne? Asikubhadalisi. But let's say sicela ukuthi yo because ama gadget ayadura. We understand. Siyacela ama member ethu ukuthi mase siregister then you are our member. Sicela ukuthi niwaphathe kahle. Angisho ningawathengisi. Because labanye bathengisa athembe ukuthi uzokuthi hey sesishort. Hey, as mina I don't know what happened lapha ekhaya. Umshana, hey umshayi 2 feet. You understand? Yeah, baqhamuka nalama excuses lawo ukuthi seyilahle. And I'm like, okay, i-cellphone yakho really iyalahleka man. Mathi sikhuluma iqiniso, ne? I-cellphone ayilahleki. Why this one? Ungazange wakhona kuyiphatha kahle. Then on the other hand, nginalena lencane, mawuyibuka ngicabanga ukuthi it's a cell phone. It's not a cell phone, ne? Isebenza the same way as sekuya ngokuthi wena uprefera yiphi. Lena since lena i-daisy player or daisy reader. Lena i-Envoy Connect. Envoy Connect ke yona ke siloada lamabhuku. Mayifika you don't need a CD because mayifika kuwe sifika sesikulodele lamabhuku. Iyathatha ke depending on the sizes of lamabhuku. Iyathatha bo 30, 40, 50 books this one. La kuyo. Which means uyabona ukuthi mawungaba nayo ungahlala 6 months solo listening angisho kuleti ncwadi, ne? So mawujoyina awutholi oyi2 uthola one of the two depending ukuthi wena which one do you prefer, ne? So this one le Envoy Connect masowucedzile kwalalela uyasho ukuthi ayi mina sengicedzile I need new books. Then siyayithatha delete si download the new books for you, ne? Asebenza njalo nedi ngoba angisisho ukuthi anawo I didn't bring to do like a proper demonstration. This one yami ayina picture, ne? Because I was supposed to demonstrate it putting in combo, say how does it work. So then we are in taller, then you become our member, ne? Also, mangabe ukuthi uyile esikoleni and when you are saying I can read braille books. We do have braille books, ne? We do have braille books. We are sitshela mawugcwalisa le form leti liyakubuta ukuthi which authors do you prefer, what types of books do you prefer. mhlawumbe wena uthanda le ema-Cowboy boy abantu itori tema-Cowboy boy angisho labanye bathanda African stories angisho labanye bathanda itori temasoja te-war angisho depending fiction mhlawumbe wena belithanda i-fiction. Also nema-newspapers and magazines sinawo ku-audio that you can just listen to, because we try and cater for our members and make sure that our members are not left behind. You are aware of what printed, now you get the same information. Ne? I don't want to bombard you with a lot of things. Ne? Okay, because the join, then you get, usually it takes about maybe less than a month gadget, so I say because it comes from Grahamstown, and then we deliver it. Then also we are supposed to come back and train you. We can't just give you a gadget. Then it's a humble funzela yes. And then also CIC encourage our members, because some of our in our community we don't have schools for blind and partially sighted people. Ne? We only have one primary school somewhere there next to the border as in Mozambique. In Comas. Yeah. That is the only school now, it's a primary school. This night. If a person will after get schooling, you have to go to Pompo or go to Pretoria. Yeah, as a blind person. So uma kuso ushido sizamhlabuyakule question yakho like the one that you were asking, ne? As you can see, my library is way to ne. Asna staff got danish, nani about danish. And vele we try and maybe let me say because of my budget in the demand. That has been our intention, because we have seen with the mundulo blind, ngeke comfortable to train on mundulo bona. You understand? I don't have an real understanding of my struggles I can manage work. But if I told a mundulo blind, I'm trained, Baba more comfortable, because we understand with the we understand. So we don't have money, but sometimes what we do, we'll have maybe my volunteers. Maybe a person say, I can volunteer to come to the library just to train the other members. We understand, because even if we don't have brain machines one yard, but I know what the means to train. Ma shells to train, or roll on to train, but train it brain, because it brain is about dots, my dots. We understand. So by improvise, but there's something that we back on a train up front to say it brain. So if in the community maybe I call a mundo general or anything, this one is willing to come and train. Because most of the time, yeah, understand. And what we encourage with no matter gadget, because gadget, I mean, we encourage like gathering. You see what we are doing like now? They're coming together because it helps. Sometimes you may think when on a challenge, and for another person who can't solve, we are easy. Yeah. So then you discuss and say, hey, meaning other challenges. So I managed to solve it until someone on assist. We understand. Yeah. So we encourage with as my members for the visually impaired library. From time to time, you come together, and just come and discuss or do a story reading as well. We understand. So maybe let me make this example. In other currently in the province, it's now 40. So I bit go to my mini lips. Lama libraries for blind people. It's now 40 mini lips. Ne? Sigasaza Mabuti want to try and get money to employ people to go to run, that's run anymore. It's either mundo blind, as touch mundo, make blind, but then my funds way to 8. So sakela kula manye ma departments iPWP kuthe ngasiphanya namaslot nyana uyabona kule 48 maybe ukuthi sikhona xasha la kula ma libraries wethu bakhona ku trainer the other members. First year I think they gave us 10 slots, then we managed to put this blind people. Mostly it was blind people. We didn't have like partially sighted people because we felt like laba partially bangona they can be assisted. But umuntu blind needs a blind person to assist. But nakhona besicasha laba labayile esikoleni. Because masingaqasha ungakayi esikoleni, ufika uhlale lapha kule computer. Then the other members mabafika, now you can't even assist them. We understand. Yes. So that but nabo baqale as volunteers before they were given the opportunity to take a very chance. Yeah, then says yacabanga ukuthi oh kodwa kuno yabani kunabani bani kunashobi kuphi kuphi, and the shobi is always willing, she's always there helping lama members yabani. But then nabo as time went by bathe imali kuthi. So this year nje I'm sure about last year besina 6 people that abaqashiwe kule EPWP. It's not us, it's not the department, it's not South African Library for the Blind. It was another department. But siyanboleka lama slots just for a year. Yeah, so every year siyakhosela ukuthi nkosi yami this year manje ngasinika maybe 10, but I lo mnyaka maybe sinika 3. Uyabona, then sekufuna decide thina ukuthi kule 3 shothi each district ifuna ithole 1%. We understand it's unfair, but you work with whatever you have. Uyabona, so this year basinike 7 slots. So in some of the mini leaps bakhona laba 7 lapho, then they get a stipend. We understand kunjani. And imagine nonke labathi ning 20 ne nonke ngile esikoleni sebathi yavela the opportunity la. I understand, I'm just trying to make an example but naloko nibabuka nekuthi it's not like everyone will be employed to come and run the service, but nine nodwane niyatana ama strengths way umuntu esicabanga ukuthi angastrainer kahle ngibani uyabona. Yeah, so kufuna ukuthi if ngendlela ukuthi if that opportunity ever comes here yabona ingabe seseniyangifonela that's it. Shouldn't bangifonela phela bathi sure sibile bathi uyaqasha. Angikaze ngaqasha umuntu, angikaze ngaqasha, anginayo nale mali yokuqasha ne. So akungasingimi uyabona. What we need, we say people just submit names of people that you think can assist to run the service, because the librarian cannot run the service akakwadi ukutraina umuntu lo blind. That's why we need the assistant umuntu oyile esikoleni lo blind ophashana sighted ne. So I was just trying to answer your. Yeah, no, you are right. That has been our rule since we started. We don't employ lo bonako kahle because I run a service. I understand no, and yeah, no. So yeah, yes, yeah. So mhlambe presentation yami mhlambe awuthi iphelele lapho Amos singaze sidiskhathe lunch unless befune ama questions ke.
Sasivulela bona.
Yeah,
okay.
Sina manje isikhathi sethu sithi 11:37.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, all right.
So
Yeah.
babele emuva babo bani igama kuqala. Okay,
Mina bengithanda ukwenza follow up kule question.
oh, okay. Okay.
Alright, ngiyezwa ukuthi niboleka abantu from EPWP CWP bazonisiza.
Yes.
Anyway, actually question.
Oh, okay.
It's a comment,
Okay.
suggestion. Mina bengithi why ningayenzi ukuthi at least in the meantime niboleka ngapha libe niqala into yenu ukuthi nifune vele abantu abazawuhlala la bazawuqasheka vele permanent bahlale la. In the meantime ngoba at the end of the day loqina lokuthi rotate lokho niyaboleka nidala niyaboleka manje laba abakhona abafundile abayifundele le brain bahleli lapha on the corner, they don't get nothing. Why ingayenzi ukuthi in the meantime lokho niboleka there's at least list like and then said masiniqeda ukuboleka lapha senithi hayi sinabantu bethu la ambani fake labantu ekumele mafana.
Senajans ya answer or start on the question. Start my question eqala. Okay. All right.
Ngakimi ne?
Yes.
All right. Ngiyabingelela igama lebohang ngakasibi sibonga. Cishe nakimi it's more of trying to find out ukuthi mhlambe in terms of collaboration. Let's say maybe ngine organization engiranayo and I want to collaborate with a department. Like for instance, something practical, something really enzakalayo njengamanje.
Mm.
Ngomusa kaNkulunkulu, I got a funding for a project that I proposed ku NAC. Ngingumuntu o busy espacing se-arts, media and entertainment. So i-proposal yami to National Arts Council of South Africa, I wanted ukuthi ngi-create more awareness around abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka kokungaboni emehlweni, people who are visually impaired. Then kubona ngipropose ukuthi ngicela bangisupport financially ngizokwazi ukuthi ngi-convert some of the books that I can access mhlambe wama local authors, convert them into braille and also audiobooks. Then those esingakwazi ukuthi siwenze ama plays, then we'll turn those into plays like audio drama njengalezo. Then yeah, ngenhlanhla ke ngayithola leyo funding. So kusho ukuthi kule nyanga esizoyiqala ka-August i-project kungenzeka iqale. Then of course ngithe mase ngichecka because i-funding engitholile bekungasiyo exactly le amount engicelile, but it was cut down. Then I had to revise i-budget yami, ngibathumelele the revised budget ukuthi ngizokhona kanjani ukwenza lokho. Then let's say I'm able ukuthi ngi-identify ukuthi i-department can also assist kwezinye izinto, maybe access to the facility for i-launch on the day or other sessions enginawo just to keep the program going. I-collaboration leyo ngi-communicate nobani, ngi-communicate ne-library, maybe let's say ngiza la eSakhile library ngikhuluma noSisivero, or I have to go direct to i-district Baba Mathonsi nje into ezikanjalo, forging that relationship and also partnering with i-department. Niye ningenelele kangakanani?
Questions before siphendula? Right, that's a round of questions. Mhlambe lamanye atovela masizama ku-answera. Maybe going back to i-question yakababa lapha ukuthi why in the process singabe sizama. That's what kunobe so busy ngakho baba. Njengoba sicalile le project ne besiloku subuka lamanye ma avenues ukuthi lokungcono, because nayo le iyas frustrated ukuthi simela another department to tell us okay lo mnyaka seninika. Usually sometimes basitshela ngabo May June umnyaka wa government uqale ngo-April, yabona basitshela ukuthi okay nyalo seninika 6. So labantu masibaletha, which means bayosebenza mhlambe inyanga letincane, you understand, up until the following year. So sibukile lokho sabuka ukuthi okay basicale sabuka ukuba baqasha maybe ku 3 years, 3-year contract. Ukuthi okay mhlambe singazama. Saphinde sabuka futhi i-permanent ithwale ngiyo lesayivuka kakhulu. Wendiwa nema-calculations, ne? Watholakala njengoba ngishido ngasile funding iphuma ku-department, ne? Thina e-South African Library for the Blind, I think yethi function kakhulu kuma-budget. Lisifunda ngawo lama-budget, ne? But the rest of the budget isuke iphuma ku-department. I-budget yabo incane kakhulu, ne? For this service. Futhi singathi siyacasha. Sikubukile naloko lokusho because sibonile ukuthi le ndema contract this year sine contract, next year masifika abantu lo nyaka kunamali siyajumpa the whole year, which means akunamuntu osebenza, ne? The following year futhi siyabuya high siyanika again, akuna consistency nale service yethu ihamba ima endleleni, uyabona, because leminye iminyaka vibrant siyasebenza, lo mnye umnyaka ayisimile akunamali. I-issue lenkulu kule budget imali vele ngokwethu besifuna ukuthi because lama libraries lama siwabita ngokuthi ma champion labantu besibaqasha kunemehluko kakhulu kune library lenganayo champion, ne? There's a lot that is happening, bayasebenza labantu, they train the members, uyabona, and nomehluko uyakhona kuwubona ukuthi makungana champion ayi le library ayiperform kahle kule service, but la kune champion khona bayaperform, uyabona. So hayi ukuthi asikakubuki naloko, every year siyakuchecka siyakubuka to an extent ukuthi sisacabanga ukuthi maybe sithole ama-private sponsors, uyabona, just to ukuthi basicashele labantu kule 40 libraries, uyabona. But ma-private sponsors nabo mabafika mhlawumbe atokutshela ukuthi singanika maybe 6 months. Understand? Ngeke sikhone kunendela i-permanent. So our focus bantu efuna basifund, I think it's government. Because government ingila kulula ukuthi ungenda umuntu khona abe permanent. But the sponsor angakunika maybe 3 years, that's it, seyiphelile. Uyabona? And engaze kuphele sponsor, it means nale service fana ukuthi uqala phansi ngoba if ime iminyaka wonke ingasebenzi fana ukuthi uqala phansi the following year masokuqala. But sikubukile lokho every year ma meetings discuss ukuthi we need to get the funding ukuthi sifunde lama champions. Angathi noma ngiphendule kahle is. Kodwa mose ngicabanga ukuthi yes too ngoba it has to do with the facility. Ngicabanga ukuthi wena ungayiphendula. Oh, before, yes. Okay.
Igama lami Sandrina, igama lami nguSophia Sipule. Ngisacela ukubuza about ama-computer.
Okay.
So, ngithatha isikhathi esingakanani like ukuthi because thina besiyi-3
Okay.
sisebenzisa ikhompyutha eyi-1 kumele sishintshisane like ubhuti sami ayenze i-timetable. So, njengoba sesi-edeke ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi ngingathatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi a-edeke nale reading system because iyi-1.
Okay. Kahle ngoba nasesifezile ulana. She's part of the meetings. Usually must discuss ama-maintenance. Ala sesi-implemente khona ne ukuthi la kufuna mhlambe i-computer iphukile, we have to buy another one. La maybe we need to add, we understand. But ngicabanga ukuthi bhotamo ngicela usinothele yona. Bangakasitsheli. We didn't get that information.
Okay.
If ngabe beyikhona, if we had that information, I think that would have been part of our plan. Ukuthi okay mhlambe sakhile, they need another computer with the software. But it's to check us to ukuthi how can we assist you. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
Mara, Sanibonani. Siyabonga. Just to add, ne, kusho ukuthi most of our libraries awanawo lutho, ne. Yabona ngabe sesiphusha sizama ukuthi our budget is allowed to have 2 computers. Allowed to ukuthi the users are more than 20, like baningi kakhulu. So laba bokuthi their members are still manageable as government lokusheshe sibangetele the computers because most of these libraries now are established vele kuthengwa 1 computer, 1 document reader, 1 basic player for them. But angisho ukuthi angeke sibuke, we'll still look into it. I'm just ngivulelana la mehlo ukuthi akusiwo onke lana 2. Most lana 2 la ukuthi members abo they are skyrocket and nalawo ukuthi sedzala a established yabo.
And also maybe to add, ne, another option longer than if the library has an extra computer, ne, we can download NVDA. It's another software for Bandara Plan. Then you can make use of that software as well. In the meantime, while Zamabuti a computer with a JAWS or the software, ne, NVDA you can also use it. It's also meant for visually impaired people. So if the library or a region, but no, we have a computer that we can borrow them, we can make use of it in the meantime. So that ningalokun bangsana ngema computer, we understand that is another option. This now much.
Yeah, I think we can. But now enough computers.
Yeah,
Then we can also take one if there's a need.
Yeah,
And then put it
so we can put the software. We can download the software for you. Because lokbalekile is the software. Usually the computer is a normal computer. Not it's a different computer, a special computer. No, look specially is the software. So we'll do that. So Amos we note it down. Then we need to attend to that since it's a very reported. Yes.
But I think also in addition to our workshop, now our workshop is specific. Because if you want to push to level that compute. Sisebenziseni le sibone babone la hey masithi sifuna ama stats or ama reports ukuthi ama report vele ayasho ukuthi le library sethi then ngaleyo ndlela leyo kulula nokuthi wenze i recommendation ukuthi usicela extra computer but asisebenziseni.
But if Joba first she gives a chance for you to get another one, we will get, because seemingly it seems like if you put finance in the schedule, shooting a 70s, we understand. Because sometimes get there to bang 20, but only one person using that computer. We understand. But when you are 3 or 4, but you are using it like heavily, so so I think it's worth looking at. Right. Okay. What was
Yeah.
the second question?
No, thank you, Lebza. Yeah, Ulebu is very active.
Okay.
Community. I just saw. I think I the one that designed that that invite. They was to Leon.
Oh, actually, with the help of Mr. Nhlapo here.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, but it shows what you guys were.
Namuhla mangithumelela Amazon.
Yeah, she was like.
Yeah, but never blind again. That was very impressive.
Yeah, but yes, for low umsebenzi lo yabona ngoba siyakubona nathi we are learning something yabona
Yes.
abantu banakaboni
Yeah.
then singathi simthathela phansi yabona thina siyabathanda abantu yabona so that's why we're here siyazinikela ukuthi no want to work with you guys yabona but you must present yourself. I think the question leyo is you can work through a library but the library will also work with us noma ungakhuluma nami noma ungakhuluma ne-library
Yeah, because Value has been communicating with you. It's easier.
but ngiphi option mina ngenza nje ukuthi ilona but even if ukhulume nayo
Yeah.
This is very,
nami ungilona it's okay.
See, email or message
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Basendele bobabili.
Yeah. Then I'm able to help ngoba naye makastakile uzobuya kimi
Yeah.
kahle kahle kunabantu njenga le training ela ungifonela wangitshela ukuthi kunento njengale library kufanele yenzeke manje uthini ubona i-library wephakathi you must allow people to use it yeah, because akunabantu abaspecial funa basebenzele space everyone so whatever nina nifunayo i-support I'm available. Yeah, I'm available 24/7 uyazi and other few members were part of the library friends of the library.
Oh, friends of the library.
Yes, that
Okay.
was just formed for
Okay.
in April. So that's why I'm number 18. It's not ukuthi mhlambe vele abantu ukuthi it's just that we never met like this. We've been asking
Oh.
what man we need to meet,
Yeah.
we need to meet. So,
And I think also maybe to add, nalokuthi, because I'm sure this one it's a public place.
yes.
So it's much better if back informa on time
Yeah.
public day.
Yeah.
So like ningafikile nithole kunalabanye bantu.
Yeah, siyabuka
understand,
vele,
yeah.
Hayi njalo.
Then you book, yeah.
Yeah, vele bazolwa maningabhukhanga
Yeah,
bazo
unabook.
kunabantu abafika manijikise bese nasenimfonelo senifonela umeya uyabona nto sene-escalator le nto yeah meya thina silana kanti you must do your things like on time ukuthi ubhale nencwadi or just as a message nje ukuthi manje sicela usebenzise i-library will allow you to
Yeah.
do that without free you're not going to pay for it but asibe nento yokuthi
Ne-order,
yeah,
professional.
Yes.
order
Yeah.
yes
Thank you. Mhlambe ngibonge futhi also ku Simphiwe Stacy Gule
yeah
ngombuzo wakhe because mainly ngingasho ngithi emva kokuthi ngizwile ngayo i-facility lesinayo Sakhile Minelli for the Blind, I made time ukuthi ngi-attend for like a period of like 2 weeks ngilokhu ngiza nje just ukuzo observe ukuthi abanye bayayisebenzisa na bakhona, then inquired also kuye uSisivero ukuthi abantu bayazi na ngayo, wabe seveza ukuthi no as a library map ama efforts enawo ayenza ukutheni ni create that awareness. So that also what sparked the idea yale project le ezoqala ukuthi okay senza njani ukuthi sibathole because it's not easy ukuthi sifinyelele kubona abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka kokungaboni because esikhathini esiningi bahlali endlini, abanye bahlaliswa endlini yabonto ezanjalo. So we trying to at least approach ngaleyo mena leyo ukuthi I know ngoba nazi izinto zikhona ezingasiza ake sitholane la sikhona. So I'm just hoping ukuthi vele ngokubambisana nje all the colleagues nani as department sizokwazi ukuthi si achieve lokho kutheni babe aware baphume babuye basebenzise lezi zinto lezi ezi available for thina ukuthi zisithuthukise. So siyabonga. Yeah.
Siyabonga Lebza. Also all of us labala, I know it is not everyone who's visually impaired.
Yes.
I know kuma communities la nihlala khona ngisho siyadana yabona. Then njengoba shide good Lebza ukuthi labanye bahlele emakhaya endlini, labanye bahlalisiwe bavalele. They understand because labanye basaba ukuthi ungabakhiphela ngaphandle ufike lapha bamvule emehle ukuthi awu wangcola kangaka wendani ngemali yepension yeah understand so lamanye ama-families awafuni ukuthi baphumele ngaphandle because they will have my ideas when you're supposed to be eating your money this is how much you should be earning you understand yeah so abafuni lo kanti we're not about ukuthi sifuna kwadi ukuthi uhola balini what's happening as much as we are concerned ukuthi imali yakhe umuntu kwenzakalani ngayo since upline uyabona but our core function is about ukuthi people come together and then we read so nathi thina labanye la sihlala khona kuma communities you know your neighbors mangabe mhlambe uyeva ukuthi lapha even abantwana labancane ne we also have books for abantwana abama minor we also register them if you know ukuthi in a certain family but nakhona maniya nifike nibachazele kahle uyabona afike ukuthi awu lo mntana nimhlasela endlini things are happening outside you understand futhi bachazele ukuthi no the reason why because remember if mina nginemntwana lo blind endlini it's not like I'm going to live forever or lo mntwana utohamba before me you understand so you have to make sure ukuthi lo mntwana uba independent whether you are there or you are not there it's all about that ukuthi umuntu abe independent njengoba nibona bo-bootlegs sisimpiwa ngisho ba independent we understand it doesn't just happen automatically because if a parent umntana namhlanje endini ana 5 years if lo mntana sekana 18 akakaze waphuma ngaphandle doesn't know a life without the mother we understand if lo make sekahambile kude umuntu owanesikhathi salo mntwana I'm telling you relatives won't have time for that child so lokuthi abe la ede la ucala kuba independent akhona ukutimela ukuthi I can survive on my own so it's all about that so nakuma communities asishumayele gospel ukuthi hey kune service library and again also ko Butamusi ke siyayisithi maybe in a month or once every 2 months or once every quarter we come together then as a department they provide transport
Stop to Lomjita mention you and other followers in the comment. Stop to Lomjita mention you and other followers in the comment. Notification available. Access and swipe down with 4 fingers. Stop to Lomjita mention you and other followers in the comment.
because you know these are people that we work with day to day
mention you and
and
other
then Matex
followers in
us
the comment.
affected because we use taxi driver was affected because we use Matex so sometimes we have those meetings where we come together and just discuss into the band that are visually impaired. So the more ikhula nalelo kuza mina ngiyafuna nje kubuya la before September ne where we come sesibaningi we come and have this big meeting we invite all the stakeholders but kugini lokuthi sisebenza ngakanani we need to work
mina bengine nomthandazo wabade
nomtha
nomthandazo
abona lapha nomthi bona le gaba lapha
mina ngine-idea
yeah
net I'm not quite sure nge-month la
Okay.
ku-celebrate-wa i-albinism not albinism
Stop to Lomjita mention you and other followers in the comment.
Yeah, yes.
Notification available. Access and swipe.
yes
Overview. Button.
i-albinism
Double tap to activate.
yes yeah
kunesikhathi la ba-celebrate that
yeah
why singaplani an awareness la
yeah
then thina sonke sila
yes
kube
Part
kithi
of-
ukuthi si-encourage ngoba esihlala emalokishini angafani senze sure ukuthi umuntu okhona elokishini one-albinism
Yeah.
or partially
Yes.
sighted abe khona kule
Yeah,
awareness
yeah.
uyabo then izosiza ukuthi kungabi yithi esizothi
Yes.
ikhona ikuphi then
But-
i-department
yeah.
izo-invite ama-department asebenza ngala
Yeah,
ma-disabilities lawo
yes yes
so kuzosiza ekutheni ukuthi ungashiyi bobaba baka-education for especially laba bane-albinism kunama dignity packs abavamise ukubanika wona abasawalethi and then lothi kuzo-reviva ukuthi
exactly
nabo basukume bathi no department siwuthola kanjani
Njani, yeah.
singariyali kumasipala or kusambodi
Yes.
thina bazidedicatele somebody one-albinism ayilande ngoba mayilanda samoya omunye athi mina ngiyitholile ibhami ingekho mina ngithole ukuthi
yeah
kungekho
sure
bona njengabo bazowazi ukuthi i-dignity mawuyilanda lapha iphuma nalokhu 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 nalokhu
yeah
nalokhu
yeah yeah I like your
Yes.
your spirit and your ideas I think when uhamba lathi nesihamba khona ngisho yeah So, but Amos, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Even if all of you can be there on that day, I don't mind.
I think ukuthi
I don't mind.
from day one kuba nama-plenary.
Yes, yes.
From now on abe khona wethu either monthly sicale siplane thina sisodwa.
Exactly.
Abantu ayinto encane kabi abantu
Yeah,
elokushini.
bye.
Ayinto encane kabi abantu elokushini. Mayiplane kithi sathola ama-stakeholders, sathola ama-funding,
Yes.
and singayenzi edeni siyenze la e-library.
Yeah,
Uzothi
yes,
mawuthi ikhona ingapha. Ungathi yabo mawuye e-library utshela umuntu ongaboni uzoba ngazi. Manje mawusuka la uthi
Uyamthatha,
la
uhamba naye, uyamkhomba.
Okay, no, siyabonga.
So let's make it Amos the meeting lenkulu.
Yeah.
Sesirapha up ngoba sikhathi that sesiphelile.
Timekeeper usitshela
Asifuni
njalo.
ukuthi sikhathi lunch shame, yeah.
But siyabonga kakhulu man, you know, the engagement at least
Yes.
noma ingabe ngathi bonakala ngathi short, but at least
Something,
simithele today
yeah.
sesiyazana yabona nto sithola nama ideas
Yes.
how can we make it, you know, good for you yabona nto nani nenjo, because thina into esifunayo sivele ukuthi le activism yabona uchubeke sihlangane yabona nto le. And njoba asho usisho ukuthi akusho masutholela ama gadgets wena uthi mina ngisaye library akusho library senzele ukuthi vele lila sihlanganela khona.
Siyagalana,
Yabona
yes.
nto. That's why the service establish kuphi e library yabona. Then again thina siyana encourage kakhulu ushiyo ngane transport, we make the transport available but on request on planning futhi yabona in advance yabona not nama date wethu mhlambe sihlangana ngama Thursdays sicela transport.
So collector.
Another thing, emakhasoni utlebs abengitholile ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukuza. They were about 10 now. Emakhasoni, they wanted to join, but unfortunately, it transported to this week.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngase ngathi no, kule bigger meeting abasuggest njengoba sayasuggest, we will collect them from emakhasoni now. Not emakhasoni kuphela, ibakhona la boma farms enbaziyo mhlawumbe labo lomndeni nabo yabona. Singaba collector nakhona.
I think also ukungena ngiyaxolisa.
Ngathi ubhuti naye ufuna ukubeka la.
I think ukuthi kunama plenary assist ukuthola kulamanye ama-ward asemaplazini kube involve u-CTW because u-CTW usebenza khona kakhulu.
Okay. Yes, Poti.
Yebo-ke sanibona nje.
Yes.
Mina bengicela ukubuza ngoba ayisilana kuphela, mina kahle kahle ngokuhlala ngihlala ePepopo and nalapha kuleya community akekho umuntu omele lezi zinto lezi ezifana nalezi. So kulezo ndawo lezo njengoba sengizanibala indawo enjengabomahazweni, kuma-farms kanjalo. Cha, ePepopo akekho nje, all that is why namanje yimi ngedwa emila.
Sesibeka wena.
Ngithembani kama manje
Usabelo Masuku.
ngizocala kancane vele mangihlangana nomuntu for the first time. Kusabelo lapha e-folk ePix nje sinayo i-service ise-Folkrust because wona uwela under iPix lika-Isakasema municipality. So yindla bese sibhizinani nayo futhi nase-Dagakran sifuna uku-establisha nase-Dagakran. E-Dagakran ngina-same problem ebesinayo la ukuthi ama-member singawatholi yabona been trying ukuthi unobani ubaba uGasa ngazi ubani uGasa le uGasa. Yes, we've been engaging no Mr. Gasa ukuthi mana sifuna ukuthi i-Dagakran ifane nje njengoba lento esenza la today. So but asiphela amandla so lokho
Asisho ukuthi ungabuki.
yes
Ukukosha.
Ngisho njalo asivale ngaphandle wena ukuthi mawuthanda ukuza
Ufuna
ngapha
Tanzania, it's fine.
okay akusho wena uyana ubona ukuthi ufeel comfortable. Yeah, so
Siyabonga isikhathi senu.
I think just for the sis
Ngiyanikezela ngaphansi bami. Nje semvala. Bengicela ukubuza lana ukuthi mhlambe mangabe yenzeka during the week. Labantwana laba mhlambe bafunda ikolo.
Okay.
Basebenzisa igugu bastrategisha. Bona basizakala kanjani? Maybe basesikolweni. And then kuba
lokunye lesivamise kukwenza but usually lokho sikwenta through i-library, public library ne ukuthi kuyowendwa ama-presentations etikoleni bangaze bete la uyabona maybe so make an appointment with the school then we go there and do a presentation then the school also sitositshela ukuthi okay how many kids do they have let's say register bathole ama-gadgets we don't mind yeah but we go to the school because we understand because my dynamics wabo are different uyabona yeah but we do it through the school.
Besikayivala ushilo
Yeah.
Ngathi-ke ekugcineni mhlawumbe ukuthi laba interested.
Oh yeah, laba interested angisho ukujoyina ne.
Yes.
Ma-forms sisivero unawo la ne. Akhona ama-forms. I was hoping ukuthi utoba khona so I understand ukuthi u-training akekho today but I think that Amos can assist us. Akhulume nesivero if bakhona like laba interested ukuthi maybe they want to join angisho.
Yes.
Then you can give magama eni ukuthi Amos then we take it from there.
Ndizosisiza vele ukuthi
Yeah.
sibe nelona ngoba phela angeke sizibophele kakhulu kanti awushayabona vele nalaba bama-insurance bafike baniprezentele ekugcineni so bathi ufuna ukwazi engakho engibatholayo so nathi size la today njengoba nihlangane so that at the end of the day at least we know ukuthi i-library into ebalulekile ukuthi ibe namamemba uyayibona nto leyo okay i-service ikhona but even nalaba bomphakathi nje general bayarejista ema-library yabona as-members we-library so that ku-report walena for ama-budget mina nithini i-library what inabantu abayingakhi uyayibona nto leyo ngoba ngikhala ngemali sesiyawuveza ukuthi okay sina 2,000 yabantu but iyasebenza le library yabona then it's easy ukuthi noma sicela something kube lula manje masingalona so nathi ngene-encourage ukuthi athletic asiveleni senzeni sigcwalise lama-form fake le information yenu nizitholele ama-gadget wenu then lo but enye ipoint esiyimistile kakhulu ukuthi le gadget osoyitholile nasekhaya ba-inform mhlazana kwenzeka something empilweni yami akusiyami le nto
library
ngoba bahlangabezane
baningi ama-members ne but then futhi sigcine singanama-gadget so we need to circulate
Okay.
members but siyabonga
ongekakhulu yilo so uyavala ngisho
bayelokhu bavala
i-sports
uyithola ku-information
yeah sibona ngicela uhlanganise nobhutleki ulithola inamba yami lapha communicate
Check with Miss Ranjan, yeah.
so ngoba isikhathi sena ngifuna usidla vele
Yeah.
ngenzela ukuthi nakusasa uma ngizicela
bavamile ukuthi isikhathi
yini manje asikho yini yeah uhleki uzangenza njalo ngisho leyo
Yes, i-list le yalamagama.
Yes.
All right.
so that masiya kule meeting sisuggestayo sesine then sengizitholela ngizobona
nini besenema-gadget aba-register today I think masibuya kule meeting ama-gadget abasekaphoyini yes
hayi so ngizokhona ngizokulethela but
so up until namhlanje i-9 i-8 i-9 namhlanje
siyabonga into kahle ilanje
Siyabonga noma ngasesikhathi lami.